What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name's Ashley and you should totally hit the subscribe button down below so you can join the fam and stick around. Basically, for this video, I wanted to do kind of a night out get ready with me because you guys have been requesting a get ready with me video and I'm going out tonight, so getting all dolled up, putting on a full face of makeup, and it's a very rare occasion. So thought I'd document it for you guys. Let me know if you guys want more videos kind of like this, just super chill, getting ready, chatting, all of that good stuff. And I will totally do that for you guys. So let's just get started. First off, gotta fix my hair because it is looking. So my hair is like not looking great. I put some dry shampoo in it and we're just gonna blend that in now. I just remembered, so hopefully my hair isn't literally white during that intro. Just gonna super quickly curl my hair and kind of brush them out. So what I do with my hair, I just kind of like brush through it a little bit, zhuzh it up, and then just stop caring about it. So my hair will set and the curls will be cuter, but for now, gotta add my hoops. And now that my face is nice and red from the primer, I'm gonna add even more primer. So this is the Faced Hangover spray. It's actually 3-in-1, so it's a primer and a setting spray. It smells really good, but I just don't love this stuff as much as the Urban Decay one. Let's chat. How are you guys? I am so sorry that I haven't been uploading that often. Everything's a lot, you know, and sometimes you just need a break. I don't want this video to turn too serious or anything, but honestly, I tried to film a kind of update video for you guys and I was like driving, but literally everything was going wrong and I was just having a bad day, and you can really see that through the video, so I didn't upload it. I was so anxious that day and just like not in my good, happy mindset, I guess, and I wanted to show you guys that like I am not always like that and I do have bad days, but it was just too much for me. It was so frustrating. It just made it such a bad day. Normally YouTube just brightens up my day and everything, but once I started talking about it, I was on my way to work and I literally left work early because I was just having such an off day. So yeah, that's why I didn't upload last week, just because the video turned out really bad. It was basically just me complaining, and that's not really the vibe I want to put on my channel, so we deleted that, and here we are. So I know it's super annoying to see the mirror, but like, girl, I gotta make sure I'm all blended. I feel like I was just in a really negative place, and that happens to me a lot. I go through many ruts. Even though I'm so like inspired and stuff for the new year, it just was not happening for me. Like, even though I felt like that, like my mindset was like that, my physical emotions didn't match with that. I don't know if that makes sense whatsoever, but what I'm trying to say is I don't feel sad, but I don't feel super happy. And that really bothers me when I'm like that, because I just get this like zombie-like feeling, and honestly it is probably from my medication, and I'm working on getting the right dose and right medication. Yeah, I didn't want this to turn into like a big talk like this, but like here we are. On a different note, let's talk about some good things. Lately, I've been obsessed with Danielle and Brooke's Gals on the Go podcast. I listen to it almost every day on the way to school. I'm all caught up and it just gets me in such a girl boss mood. Absolutely obsessed. I think the way that they talk to each other just makes me so jealous of their friendship. I really wish more people where I live had that kind of mindset, because I would definitely be friends with them. And I'm just trying to live my best life, honestly. I just am so done with complaining and being negative, and I feel like I don't really show that side of myself to you guys, but honestly, I can be really negative sometimes, and I feel like the reason I don't kind of portray that on my YouTube channel is because that's not who I want to be. I just like to put it everywhere. Another thing I've been loving is Ariana Grande. Amazing. I'm absolutely obsessed with her. I've always loved her, but lately her songs are just speaking to me and I'm just really feeling them. Even Sweetener from her last album, I love that song, and that song is like my 2019 mantra or song, I guess, if you will. Basically, it's just talking about taking all the bad in your life and making it sweeter. Love that. Love that for her, love that for me. So I did bronzer. I'm gonna save highlight just because I'm a little excited for it. So the Kat Von D 70 brow brush is probably the best thing to ever come into my life. I'm literally using an e.l.f. pomade right now, and it doesn't even matter what product you use, but if you have this brush or even like the Anastasia one, it's amazing. Okay, looking tan, looking good. All right, let's just make sure my face matches how bronzed I am. Okay, I look tanner in person, I promise. Terrible, like I'm so bad at this. Like it won't stick to my eye. Okay, you know what? We're not doing lashes because that is just so annoying. My lips are looking a little weird and pale, so spice them up. I'm trying to think what else is new. Oh, actually, one sec, let me finish this. Got a new phone. This is the iPhone XR. I'm obsessed with it. It is so great. Yeah, I just got a clear case. I got the white one. I'm boring, I know. I should have gotten the yellow one, but I wanted like a cute pop socket and I figured I could get a yellow one. Last phone that I had was the iPhone 6S. I was due for an upgrade. So if you guys want a what's on my iPhone video, let me know and I'll do that for you. I really need your guys' help, so if you have any video request ideas, let me know, especially if they're like college related or anything like that. I know a lot of people are like picking their college right now. And okay, let me curl my eyelashes while I'm talking. And it is actually my last year in college. If you guys don't know, I'm in community college taking business with a major or concentration in marketing. Business programs at my school are only 2 years long. So this is my second and last year, which is so exciting, but also very scary. Like what? I'm an adult, okay. And I'm literally gonna graduate in like a few months. Literally felt like I graduated high school like yesterday. And I've taken so many business courses and everything, and I'm just so ready to like get out there and stop being in a classroom and just like learn from experience. Okay, highlight is probably the best part of a going out makeup look. I just like to glow to the friggin' stars. Okay, that is a little excessive, so that means that's just enough. And then because I'm so extra, I'm also gonna put a little bit of high beam in my inner corners. Okay, we're glowing. And the finishing touch is setting spray. When I'm going out, I literally go crazy with the setting spray because I do not want my makeup to budge while I'm getting down on the dance floor, probably dancing to Thank You Next or Wow by Post Malone. And that is the completed makeup and hair. If you guys ended up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below if you're new. And that is it for this video. I'm gonna head on out because I am running late as usual. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!